All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Ape Coin. That's right. This token is up gigantically in the last 7 days. We're going to go look at that. It's popping right this second. What are you thinking about the Ape Coin? They're saying, is Ape Coin the new Shiba Inu? With that, I'm going to also cover a little Shiba thing at the end, talking about how you can buy property in the metaverse. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Ape Coin, Shiba. Shiba's already where it's going to be. Will Ape get to Shiba? We will see. Let's head over to Ape Coin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at that. You see it. Look at the red around. Here's red, here's red, here's red, red, and a 45% up in the last 7 days. I mean, come on, everybody. This may be the best one on the whole entire CoinMarketCap in the top 100. It's being traded at $17.10 in the last 24 hours. It's actually up 5%. All right, here we are at the CoinMarketCap. Coin being traded at $17.07. It's up 5% right this second. Taking a look right here. Here's our uptick right this second that we're seeing. Pretty nice. It's up, that 5%. But the 45%, yeah, here's the 45%. It was down here at 11 cents. And now take a look up here. It's at 17 cents. That's all done in a week. Okay, so Ape Coin is popping. It's actually trending hard too. Take a look over here on CoinMarketCap. Number 2 trender. I mean, Shiba's trended at number 3. Ape Coin is trending at number 2. I mean, that's pretty awesome, everybody. All right, over here at their Twitter account, Ape Coin is ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower a decentralized community building at the forefront of Web3. There's a lot of good stuff going on this one here. Okay, 1 hour ago, join our first Ape Coin DAO formal. That's going to be today on Monday, 5:30 later on. This is going to be happening. You got 5.5 hours to get ready where this is going to happen. They're going to be discussing the community and special council Ape Coin chat with the DAO board. I mean, pretty awesome. Take a look at that today. So at 5:30 today, you're going to be able to listen to what's going on with Ape Coin. A couple more things. Dustland. It's all monkey business. We're going ape. So easy a chimp can do this. Operation Ape Access Pass is OTW. Earn DOS tokens and swap it for Ape Coin. A new character. A new Dustline M2E adventure. A new way to convert DOS. Take a look at this. That's looking pretty cool there, huh? Look at that Ape Coin. Dustland Operation Ape Pass is coming to Ape Coin adoption. New Dustland side quest Operation Ape offers exclusive access pass holders a chance to turn DOS into Ape Coin. There's some more good stuff going on. Our friends at Coinbase are making a film featuring Ape Coin. Did you just hear that? Coinbase is making a film about Ape Coin. Definitely something. We're creating an interactive 3-part film featuring Bored Ape, YC, an Ape Coin community. Come build with us. The D-Gen trilogy, Coinbase plus Ape Coin plus BA. There's a Skull YC. Build a new world. Discover who you really are. So, like I said, there's lots of stuff going on. Oh, the 45% up in 7 days, pretty big too. We got some things right here retweeted. The first person ever to buy a burger with Ape Coin on the coin chain. What's up, Wally? Just out making history. So buying hamburgers with the Ape Coin is fantastic. Like seeing that. And here we go. The first restaurant to accept ETH and Ape. We did it. Bored and hungry. Okay, payment option, Ape Coin and Ethereum. So you can get a hamburger for 4 apes, or you can get it for 0.012 Ethereum. A lot of stuff going on here. Bored and hungry, first restaurant to accept ETH Ape. I mean, you gotta love it, everybody. All right, over here at the website, I mean, I don't know. I just like the coin going around and around. It's pretty cool. As it goes around and around and around, the Ape Coin is up 45% in the last 7 days. All right, about us. Ape Coin is a Web3 economy. Culture has found new expressions in Web3 through art, gaming, and entertainment, and events. The possibilities for blockchain impact and cultures are so endless, they can't possibly all predict yet. Ape is a token made to support what's next, control and build on the community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that will drive culture forward in the metaverse. All right, I got an article right here. Is Ape Coin the next Shiba Inu? The next Shiba Inu. Is Ape Coin the next Shiba Inu? Now it says key points. It says Ape Coin is connected with popular NFT collection Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's kind of big. With this vibrant community, some think it could be the next Shiba. Now, truthfully, just having articles and saying that the Ape Coin could be the next Shiba, I mean, Shiba's ranked super high. I mean, it's in the top 14 or 15 on CoinMarketCap. Also, Robinhood just listed the Shiba Inu. 22.5 million people can get it. The new cryptocurrency dropped in March and has been on a strong run since. So it says, after dropping in March, the new digital token Ape Coin, 2.3% 9 up, has already, and that was when this was written, has already made waves in the crypto community. Remember, the price is up 45% right now. The price has jumped over 1,000% since it's extremely volatile. The token is directly connected to the Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's a big thing right there, the NFT collections. A set of extremely popular and expensive NFTs that have a big following. The popularity of NFTs and community around them has led some believers that Ape Coin could go on a run similar to, and again, anytime it's compared to Shiba Inu, it's going to be fantastic. Right here it says this at this particular time, Ape was up 2.39 and Shiba was down. The popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency is Ape Coin is the next Shiba Inu. Let's take a look. So, Ape Coin versus Shiba. They're both similar in difference between Ape Coins and Shiba. Both are ERC20 utilities, governance tokens, meaning they don't use their own blockchain network, and they are both issued on the Ethereum blockchain, which has a smart contract capacity. ERC20s all must follow a set of technical standards. They also must both use proof of work concept to mine new tokens, which involves lots of computer powers and therefore energy to solve cryptography puzzles as quickly as possible when approving transactions and minting new blocks of tokens. But Ethereum is in a process of updating to proof of stake concept, where validators on the network will stake their tokens to approve transactions. So both ApeCoin and Shiba Inu will likely change with it once the upgrade is complete. POS is more energy effective than POW. Proof of stake is more effective than proof of work. Take a look at the little Shiba there. The total supply of Ape is fixed at 1 billion tokens, while Shiba is 1 quadrillion tokens. So when the amount of Ape tokens is much less, it is still large enough. It won't be considered any kind of huge hedge against inflation. It is not adapted a burning capacity, so the supply is currently set to decrease. My Shiba Inu is planning to introduce a burning protocol to reduce the supply outstanding. Yeah, I was just reading about that. The Shiba is going to be burning the tokens for passive income. Showing you a little chart of the Shiba here. Additionally, neither ApeCoin nor Shiba Inu appears to have any real technical advantage over any other cryptocurrencies. Being an ERC20, they are both limited by the Ethereum minimal processing power in terms of transaction speed. TPS, although Ethereum is expected to greatly improve the TPS once it completes a long-awaited upgrade. All right, so when you're taking a look at this, the Ape token, the Ape coin is that, I mean, getting compared to Shiba Inu is fantastic. I mean, just being mentioned in the same name. And I do like the fact that people can buy burgers now with the Ape coin. We went on the Twitter account and saw that. That's fantastic. So all kinds of good things going on with this Ape coin. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Just wanted to cover a couple things about Shiba Inu real quick. I thought this was big. The Shiba Arby, the wait is finally over. We're excited to announce the first early access bid event is now live. Important, in order to participate in an early event, you can actually go ahead right here and get your So I wanted to show you that, and I wanted to show you this. In the first 24 hours, over 8 billion SHIBs was burned through the SHIB burn portal. Yeah, this is pretty big. Burn SHIB and earn passive income. This is what we were talking about. We don't got no sound right here, but when you burn that SHIB, the official SHIB burn protocol, burn.shibaswap.com. And you know what it means, get that passive income. And here's the big thing. The public sale of land for SHIB, the metaverse continues on shib.io, the official open seas. You got the dog that's willing to help you build. He's got the little hammer in the hand and stuff like that. Come on now, Shiba Inu. Let's go build some metaverse properties. And then I do want to show you this right here on open seas. Here you go up at the top, SHIB Yard. SHIB, the metaverse. And there's the hammer with the dog. Literally, you can come right here and you can purchase a plot of land, everybody. I mean, take a look at this. Isn't that pretty awesome? Now remember, Ape Coin is being compared to Shiba Inu. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's head back over to Ape Coin. Again, Ape Coin is trending number 2, and Shiba Inu is trending number 3. I kind of like the fact that Shiba Inu and Ape are right there. Right here, Ape Coin was at number 45 before. It's at number 29. What's our price prediction? I mean, look at this, guys. This is almost up 50% in the last 7 days. 45%. $16.95%. I mean, this coin is going to the moon right this second. I mean, anything going up 45%. Here, for shits and giggles, we'll see if there's anything else that's up 45% in the top 100. Here, we're going to scan it. Anything else? Okay, 15% Terra Luna. Price prediction coming up. 5% Tron. Oh, there's the Ape Coin. 5%. Take a look at all the red. 9%. Pancake Swap. So Pancake Swap's up 9%. ZEC is up 13%. We're already at 50. So in the top 100, is this the coin that's... Oh, there's a possibility. Oh, it's only 23%. CRV. 20% for KAVA. And, yep, in the top 100, the Ape Coin is the top mover in the last 7 days. So what's our price prediction? I think this coin can get to $20. It's at $16.95. Do all your own homework. My information is for educational purposes only. Literally, the coin is jumping off the chart. This could just keep going up, keep going up. Do your own homework, research stuff, read articles. Again, if you're making money or not making money, it's all based on you. All my information is for educational purposes only. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Ape Coin, is this the new Shiba? I mean, trending number 2, trending number 3, kind of cool. Articles comparing SHIB to the Ape Coin. I like that a lot. People buying burgers. First person to buy a burger with Ape Coin. Come on now. A lot of good stuff going on. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about BUSD crop farmers. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you a little bit later on today.